Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down automation in the customer lifecycle in a concise manner. By the end, you'll understand how to effectively use automation to enhance each stage of the customer journey. Let's get started. Automation in the customer lifecycle involves using software tools to streamline and optimize interactions with customers throughout their journey, from awareness to advocacy. Here's how to do it effectively. First, attract potential customers. Use automated tools to reach and engage prospects through various channels like social media, email, and paid ads. Automation can help schedule posts, run targeted ad campaigns, and send welcome emails. For example, a fashion brand might use automated social media posting to maintain a consistent online presence. Next, nurture leads. Once you've attracted potential customers, use automation to nurture these leads with personalized content and offers. Set up automatic email sequences that provide valuable information and guide leads toward making a purchase. For instance, an online course provider might send a series of educational emails to new subscribers. Convert leads into customers. Use automation to streamline the purchasing process and reduce friction. This includes automated abandoned cart reminders, special offers, and easy-to-navigate checkout processes. For example, an e-commerce site might automatically send a discount code to customers who leave items in their shopping cart without completing the purchase. Deliver exceptional customer service. Automation can help manage customer inquiries and support requests efficiently. Use chatbots to handle common questions and direct more complex issues to human agents. For instance, a travel booking site might use a chatbot to answer frequently asked questions about flight changes. Encourage repeat purchases. Keep your customers engaged and coming back by using automated tools to send personalized product recommendations, loyalty rewards, and follow-up emails. For instance, a beauty retailer might send customers personalized skincare tips and product suggestions based on their purchase history. Gather feedback. Automate the process of collecting feedback from your customers to understand their experiences and identify areas for improvement. This can include post-purchase surveys and review requests. For example, a restaurant might automatically send a survey to diners after their meal to gather feedback on their experience. Analyze customer data. Use automation to collect and analyze customer data, helping you understand their behavior and preferences. This data can inform your marketing strategies and help you optimize your automated workflows. For instance, a subscription box service might analyze purchasing patterns to recommend new products to subscribers. Promote customer advocacy. Encourage satisfied customers to become advocates for your brand by automating referral programs and review requests. Reward customers for referring friends or leaving positive reviews. For instance, a fitness app might offer a month of free service for every new sign-up from a referral. In summary, effective automation in the customer lifecycle includes attracting potential customers, nurturing leads, converting them into customers, delivering exceptional service, encouraging repeat purchases, gathering feedback, analyzing data, and promoting customer advocacy. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarified automation in the customer lifecycle. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay ahead in the digital age.